Triple-double alert! Grabe nga ang PBA debut ni Juan Gomez de Leaño. 15 points, 10 rebounds at 11 assists. One of a kind performance yan sa PBA, especially sa rookie. Kung i-convert natin sa daily fantasy points, ganito yan. Points is equivalent to 1, rebounds is equivalent to 1.2, at assist is equivalent to 1.5. 15 points times 1 equals 15 points. 10 rebounds times 1.2 equals 12 points. 11 assists times 1.5 equals 16.5 points. Total of 43.5 fantasy points. Hindi pa kasama yung steals o blocks dyan. Kung napili mo si JGDL sa daily fantasy lineup mo, panalong-panalo ka. Imagine lahat ng categories covered, consistent sa stats, at mataas din ang usage rate. Ganitong klase ng player ang gusto mo sa fantasy team mo, hindi lang scorer, kundi stat filler. Juan Gomez de Leaño just showed na siya ang bagong paborito ng mga fantasy players. Kaya kung di mo pa siya napipili, next time, huwag mo nang palagpasin. And once again, this is Basketball Republic. Like, follow, and subscribe.